Welcome to the course. If you've chosen to take this course, I'm assuming it's because you want to get yourself a nice set of abs, or even just lose a little bit of excess fat around the stomach area. Either way, I'm going to help you achieve your goal with this abs course. You'll find a set of 10 core workouts I use myself. You can do them daily, on their own, or after a regular workout routine. You can perform them with me following along with the video, or use them as a reference for when you work out by yourself. Each workout is highly focused on core strength and abdominal exercise. I'm going to pass on my knowledge and experiences on gaining and maintaining a flat stomach and developing a six-pack. I touch on the importance of weight training on your core strength, provide some information on diet and nutrition, and the importance of hydration. These subjects have been selected specifically due to their importance on gaining and maintaining a flat stomach and developing a six-pack. Through the advice I offer you, I'm hoping to help you achieve your goal. See you in the next lecture.